Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make ornament boxes with Cricut. For these boxes I'll use letter size cardstock. You will find this lightweight cardstock in most craft stores. You can also use 12 by 12 inches cardstock sheets and make two boxes in one cut. To assemble the box I'll use a Scotch tape runner. Also I'll be using a small piece of foil poster board as decoration. If you are using a Cricut machine, you can use the scoring stylus or the scoring wheel. You can use the scoring stylus in the Maker or Explore series. The scoring wheel is exclusive to the Maker series. To make these boxes, I'll use the template I made, which is available in my Etsy shop. In this video, you will also learn how to use files you buy on Etsy. When you complete the payment, you will get an email from Etsy with the link to download it. If for some reason you don't see it, check your spam folder. If you can still find it in your email, go to Etsy, click on Purchases and Review, and you will find a download link there. Usually, the files you download will go into your download folder. As you can see, this is a zip file. You need to decompress it before using it. If you are using a Mac, double-click the file. If you are using Windows, right-click and select Decompress. Here I have the folder Decompress. Inside you will find two folders and the README file. I'm in the sign space and now I'll upload the file. Go to Upload, click on Upload Image, click on Browse and look for the Decompress folder. Here you have the README and the two folders. When you open the folders, you will find two SVG files inside. You can use any of these files when using a 2.7 diameter ornament. Use any of these if you are using a 3 inches diameter ornament. These dimensions are based on the ornaments you find on Amazon. Check the link in the info box. If you are using an ornament with another diameter, modify the pattern proportionally. The difference between the files is that one has the bow and the other doesn't. I'll select this one, click on Open, click on Upload, select the template and add to Canvas. When you upload an SVG file to Design Space, all the layers will have the basic cut operation. You need to change the operation in the layer with the lines. Go to the header bar, open the drop-down menu and select Score. Now that I have all the scoring lines, select everything and click on Attach. Keep in mind you can always modify the dimensions of the box proportionally. Now click on Make It. As you can see, the first operation is going to be a score and then basic cut. Continue, select your machine, select the material. I'll be using light cardstock, but you could also use medium weight cardstock. If you are using a machine from the Maker family, you can use the scoring wheel or the scoring stylus. If you are using a machine from the Explore series, you can only use the scoring stylus. I'll be using the single scoring wheel. If you are using the scoring wheel, when you complete the scoring, you need to change the tool to the fine point blade and complete the cutting process. As you can see, I have the scoring wheel in place. Now I will load the material. I fast forward this part of the video. The scoring took 1 minute 19 seconds. I'll change the tool and complete the job. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The cutting process took 50 seconds. Now I'll fold the box. This part is self-explanatory. I'll glue a piece of foil poster board in the area with the ribbon. Now I'll add the adhesive to these two areas. Now I'll place the acrylic ornaments inside the box. Close the box with a piece of ribbon. If you are making a lot of flat ornaments, this is my favorite type of box because it's easy to make. If you like this project, you can buy the pattern on my Etsy shop. See you in the following video.